everyone. Today we're going to start with the same chapter, fractions. Whereas we're going to learn about a new subtopic, and that subtopic's name is real life examples of fractions. So let's start the lesson. So these are some real life examples of fractions we'll be solving together. So our first question will be, Aditya has 3 2x3 chocolate bars and Rahul has 1 5x6 chocolate bars. How many chocolate bars do they have all together? So, how do we solve this question? To solve this question, we will have to add 3 2x3 plus 1 5x6. So, when we add it, we'll have to first convert both of them into improper fractions. So, it will be like this. We'll first write word problems or statements on them, then we will do the addition. So number of chocolates Aditya has is equal to 3 2x3 and the number of chocolates Rahul had is 1 5x6. So the total number of chocolates altogether they have is 3 2x3 plus 1 5x6, which is equal to 11/3 plus 11/6. So now we'll have to find out the LCM of 3 and 6. The LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. So it will be 11. That will become 11 into 2 by 3 into 2 plus 11 into 1 by 6 into 1, which is equal to 22/6 plus 11/6, and which is equal to 33/6. Now we will have to simplify 33/6. So when you simplify it by 3, we will get 11/12. As this is an improper fraction, we'll convert it into a mixed fraction. When we convert it, we'll get 5 1/12. Therefore, Aditya and Rahul has 11/2 or 5 1/2 chocolate bars all together. So now this is our second question. Srivatsan had 6 11/15 cans of paint. He used 3 8/15 cans for painting his room. How many cans of paint are left with him? So how do we solve this? We will subtract 6 11/15 and 3 8/15. And for both of them, the denominator is same. We don't need to find out the LCM. We just need to convert them into an improper fractions, subtract them, and if necessary, we'll convert them from improper fractions back to mixed fraction. So our first statement will be number of cans Srivatsan had, which is 6 11/15. The cans of paint Srivatsan used, which is 3 8/15. So therefore, the cans of paint left is equal to 6 11/15 minus 3 8/15. 6 11/15 is equal to 101/15 and 3 8/15 is equal to 53/15. So it will become 101/15 minus 53/15. 101 minus 53 is equal to 48, and as a denominator the same, we don't need to subtract it. And then we'll convert them into a mixed fraction, which is 3 3/15. As we can simplify the fraction, we can just convert it to simplify the 3 3/15 into 3 1/5. Therefore, Srivatsan has 48/15, 3 3/15 or 3 1/5 cans of paint left with it. This is our last real life example of fraction. The question is, Miss Tiwari had 6 liters 800 ml of butter. She gave 1/2 of her butter to her neighbor and spread 1/4 of the remaining butter over her sandwiches. How much butter is remaining? So how do we solve this? First we'll have to find 1/2 of 6 liters 800 ml, and then when we get that, we'll have to find out the 1/4 of the 1/2 of 6 liter 800 ml, and then that 3/4 which is remaining will be the answer. So first we'll write capacity of butter Miss Tiwari had, which is 6 liter 800 ml. Capacity of butter which she gave to her neighbor, which is equal to 1/2 of 6 liter 800 ml, which is equal to 3 liters 400 ml. The capacity of remaining butter spread over sandwiches is equal to 1/4 or 3 liter 400 ml, which is equal to 850 ml. Therefore, the butter remaining is equal to 6 liters 800 ml divided by 1 by 2, which is equal to 3 liters 400 ml divided by 1 by 4, which is equal to 850 ml. So the remaining butter which Miss Tawari had with her is 850 ml. So what did we learn today? We learned real life examples of fractions and how to solve real life examples of fractions. So if you guys like the video, please like, share, subscribe and hit on the notification bell to get more notifications when I upload more videos. Thank you and have a nice day.